Every morning, I wake up to the sound of my alarm buzzing at 6:30 a.m. The room is still quiet, bathed in the soft light of dawn. My name is Jessica, and I am a business consultant. People often ask me what it means to be a consultant, and I usually explain it as helping companies solve problems they can't figure out on their own. It's not just about giving advice, it's about listening, understanding, and finding solutions that work for everyone. After brushing my teeth and getting dressed in my usual professional attire, a tailored blazer, blouse, and trousers, I sit down with a cup of coffee to review my schedule for the day. Today promises to be busy. I have meetings with two different clients, one who needs help improving team productivity and another struggling with customer retention. Each challenge is unique, but that's what makes my job exciting. By 8 a.m., I'm driving to my first appointment at Green Tech Solutions, a mid-sized tech company trying to boost employee performance. When I arrive, I'm greeted by Sarah, the HR manager, who looks both relieved and anxious. "Thanks for coming, Jessica," she says as we shake hands. "We've been stuck for months, and nothing seems to work." I nod reassuringly. "Let's start by understanding the root of the problem." Over the next hour, I meet with various team members, developers, designers, and project managers, to hear their perspectives. Many express frustration over unclear goals, lack of communication, and overwhelming workloads. One developer named Mark sums it up perfectly: "It feels like we're all running in circles without knowing where we're headed." Armed with this insight, I spend the afternoon analyzing workflows and organizational structures. By late afternoon, I present my findings to Sarah and her leadership team. "The main issue isn't laziness or incompetence," I explain. "It's misalignment. Your teams need clearer objectives, better tools for collaboration, and manageable deadlines." Together, we draft a plan to implement regular check-ins, redefine priorities, and introduce software that streamlines communication. Sarah smiles gratefully. "You've given us hope, Jessica." "Thank you." Feeling accomplished, I head to my second meeting of the day at Bella Bakes, a bakery chain struggling to retain customers. The owner, Mia, greets me warmly but looks exhausted. "We used to have loyal customers lining up every day," she says. "Now, they barely glance our way." To understand the issue, I visit one of their stores during peak hours. Observing interactions between staff and customers, I notice subtle problems: slow service, uninspired displays, and minimal engagement. Afterward, I interview employees and discover low morale due to long hours and outdated equipment. Clearly, this wasn't just about marketing, it was about rebuilding the entire customer experience. Back at Bella Bake's headquarters, I share my observations with Mia. "Your brand has potential, but it needs revitalization," I tell her. "Start by upgrading your equipment so your staff can work efficiently. Train them to connect with customers, not just take orders. And refresh your store designs to create a welcoming atmosphere." Mia nods thoughtfully. "It sounds daunting, but I trust your guidance." As the evening sets in, I drive home reflecting on the day's challenges. Being a consultant requires more than expertise, it demands empathy. Whether it's guiding a tech company through internal chaos or helping a bakery rediscover its charm, every client deserves patience and understanding. Some days are exhausting, especially when resistance arises or progress feels slow. But then there are moments like today, when solutions begin to emerge and clients express gratitude. It makes everything worthwhile. At home, I change into comfortable clothes and sit by the window with a cup of tea. Outside, the city lights twinkle against the darkening sky. I scroll through emails from past clients, many thanking me for transformative changes in their businesses. These messages remind me why I chose this career. Consulting isn't just about fixing problems, it's about empowering others to succeed. Tomorrow will bring new clients, new challenges, and new opportunities to make a difference. And I'll be ready, armed with my notebook, sharp questions, and unwavering determination. Being a consultant means wearing many hats: advisor, listener, problem solver, but above all, it's about building trust and delivering results. Sometimes people underestimate the impact of consulting because it happens behind the scenes. They don't see the late nights spent researching strategies, the careful conversations steering difficult discussions, or the pride in watching a struggling business thrive. But I know the value of what I do. Every recommendation I make, every strategy one design, contributes to someone else's success story. As I close my laptop for the night, I think about how much I've grown in this role. From navigating complex corporate dynamics to supporting small businesses like Bella Bakes, each experience has taught me something new. Consulting has shown me the power of collaboration and the importance of seeing things from others' perspectives. By the time I climb into bed, I feel fulfilled yet eager for tomorrow. There will always be challenges ahead, unforeseen obstacles, skeptical clients, and tight deadlines, but these only fuel my passion further. Because at the end of the day, being a consultant isn't just a job, it's a journey of learning, growth, and impact. And honestly, I wouldn't trade it for anything.